Jatend piny Kenya William Ruto kaachiel kod Mikai mano mokwongo Mama Rachel Ruto odiochieng' mano ma kawuono ne orwako e par ker jopuonjre mago ma bende ne ochwalo were magi kata talanta magi e tukego mago mag drama. Ka bende e tuke maket koda mago ochwal e par ker e kidieny mano mar 64.
And we will continue to work together in this space. I am very, very proud of this event. When I told my good friend, this small girl, Talasha there, when I told her that I am looking forward to enjoy a play, I did really enjoy the play. Ilikuwa ni gari ya nini? Ya kucheza, sio? Hiyo gari ambayo shule ya Diligent Wheels School. I want to say congratulations, Diligent Wheels Schools. You did a wonderful job. I mean, sitting there, I saw the thread, you know, that you have built into that play. From a broken car, you know, to the power of agreement and the power of unity that not only fixes the broken car, but also brings people together, brings new ideas, and even makes a better car than the one that was broken. I think that script could not have spoken to us as Kenyans as powerfully as any statement could or any speech could. That indeed it is possible for us to transition from what the script taught us